Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello Programmers, the place where we explore the exciting world of web development. I am Praveen, your host, and today we have a fantastic tutorial in store for you. We will be diving into the world of front-end development and learn how to create something really cool, a countdown timer. But here is the twist. We will be doing it only using HTML, CSS and pure vanilla JavaScript. No external libraries like React or Bootstrap, no fancy framework, just good coding fundamentals. Before we jump into the coding part, let me tell you why you should stick around for this tutorial. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functioning countdown timer that can be customized for your own project. This timer will count down from a specific time and update in real time on your web page. Whether you want to create a sense of urgency for a limited time offer, build a countdown time for an event, or just have a cool timer on your website, this tutorial has got you covered. But don't worry, if you are new to web development or if you have never worked with JavaScript before, I'll explain everything step by step. And by the end of this video, you will not only have a countdown timer, but also a deeper understanding of how HTML, CSS and JavaScript work together to create dynamic web content. So grab your favorite code editor, a cup of coffee, and let's embark on this coding journey together. By the time we are finished, you will have a valuable skill so you can use in your web project. Without further ado, let's jump right in after this beautiful intro. Okay, now let us start. First of all, we'll make a folder. We'll call it as a countdown project. You can make this folder anywhere and open this folder in your favorite editor. I'll suggest you to download Visual Studio Code, which is very best for any web development project. After that, we'll make three files: index.html for HTML file, and similarly styles.js. Styles.css and script.js file for JavaScript. And after that, in index.html, we can start doing HTML file. First of all, let's make this boilerplate and change title to the coming soon page. We are making like a coming soon page that for a brand. First of all, let's give a test heading so that we can check it is running properly or not. And we can import script file in this HTML file using script tag, and similarly we need to import styles file also using link in meta tag. Okay, link rel style sheet and href equal to styles.css. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now let's run it. For that, you can do go live. You will get an extension for Visual Studio Code, or you can just simply run using that. Okay, here we have successfully got the file. Okay, now let us go to script.js and work on the JavaScript part or the dynamic part. First of all, we need to we need to take a target date. We'll set a target date of when. Today is October 5 and I'll set October 7, but 2024 is our target date. Now we are in 2023. If you are watching in 2024, you may be confused, so I'm saying this. Okay, to make the date, we need to have a date attribute, and date attribute with a method of get time. Okay, I am setting 2 p.m. 18 minute get time. Okay. To know more about get time, you can go into the web browser and search for the get time method, and you will get lot of there, and you can see from Mozilla, which is an official documentation. Here you can see that what will do get time. What it does is that you will get a certain time in a integer format from a specific date, and what we'll do is we'll take that integer value for target date also and for today's date also, and we'll subtract that to date. Okay, now let's us make this function which will actually run, and we'll make it for 1 second. Here 1000 means 1000 millisecond. Set interval function takes in millisecond format, so we'll give 1000, and inside there we'll write logical part. Okay, now let us try let us first import today's date. What is today's date? Yes, for that we can do for variable. Now we'll define now as a variable and give new date and today's date to give, we'll get time. Okay, done. After that we'll subtract these two dates to get the difference between these two dates, so that we can make a actual countdown. Okay, we'll call it as a distance variable and target date minus now. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll calculate this date in day, hours, minutes and second. First of all, let's do for the days. What we'll do is we'll take for some math floor, means we'll be doing divide and divide, so we'll be using math floor, and distance and divide by 1000 or what 1000 into 60 into 60 into 24. It means 24 days, no, 24 hours, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. In this format we will getting. And for bar hours we'll again do math dot floor distance, we'll do distance, and we'll do modulus. I think modulus or modulus, yes, modulus, and 1000 into 60 into 60 into 60 divide. We'll do that and copy paste for minutes and for hours also. And we'll have certain changes so that we can get exact days, hours, minutes and second. Okay, now for only testing purpose, I'll do what, that in heading tag I'll import these days, hours, minutes and second. To get heading tag we'll convert this as one, we'll give id of test. Okay, then back to script.js and we'll give here test. In inner.html, what we'll do is we'll do days plus days, we'll give white space plus hours, sorry, here it will be hours, yes, hours, plus hours plus sets plus minutes plus m plus seconds plus s. Okay, it's done. Now let's check in our browser. Okay, here we have got the date, but there is some slightly mistake. We can see minutes and second is not working properly. What's the difference is 23 hour is working, days also is working, but minute and second is not working, I think. Yes, okay. Okay, let's see what we can fix it. Oh yes, I have did save. We have to delete that 24 for minutes and 25 into 60 for seconds. Now I think it will work properly. Okay, yes, we have found working here. And another thing here you can see is that we are getting a single digit for second. I want this seconds, minutes and hour to be 2 digit. For that, what we can do is we can use if else also, otherwise yes, if else to insert 2 digit for hours, minutes and seconds. If hours equal less than 10, 10, it means if it is less than 10, that means 9876, then we'll do what, we'll insert 0 and plus that initial value of hours. Okay, it will give like 0908, it will give like this. Okay, similarly what we'll do for it, if hours, if minutes less than 10, if seconds less than 10. Okay, for this you can do Control DD so that it can select similar one. Okay, now you can see 07, 06, 05. Okay, now it's working properly. Now let us actually write some cool HTML. First of all, we need go to index.html and just remove this test tag and insert some. First of all, we'll need a container. No. Before that container using, let's just put S1 as a coming soon page, and then we'll need a div tag with a class name of container. Class name of container. Okay, then so we'll need a box for layout. So box for different days, minutes, hours, seconds. We'll have 4 boxes here. So we'll give class days. Then after inside box we'll have a value, and down to that we'll have a p tag of days. Okay. I'm making this for days only. Now for that copy paste. Okay, convert this to hours, convert this to minutes, and convert this to seconds. Okay, here we have got what we need, and now we need to pass that script value. Now for individual, we'll call the id tag of all the that value and give that, pass that inner HTML value. Okay, first of all let's do for the days, id days, get element id days dot inner HTML equal to what will give days. We'll just copy paste and we'll change days for hours, and that for minute, and this for seconds. Okay, now let's check back to browser. Yes, it is properly working. Now we need to do some styling. Before that, what we do is what will happen if that date is completed. We will simply change that to 00 only. Okay, what is countdown time is finished. What if? Okay, if distance, we will take the distance is less than 0, then we will copy this 4 and copy paste there and just edit that with 00. Similarly for the both 00, 00, and for seconds also we will change 00. Now we have completed the JavaScript part. Now let us style. Okay, so we'll make here intent. Okay, it is looking now good. Now let us see here, everything is working fine till now. Now let us go to style.css file, and here we will try to do some styling. First of all, let's copy this body element and style in body. Okay, so first of all let's give height as 100 viewport height bs and width of 100 bw, means viewport width. Okay, it is easy for that responsive, so I am doing that, and we'll just center all the content. For that we will be using display flex, and justify content will make this content to be center horizontally. Now to make a content vertically also center, we will take align items center. Okay, now we see coming soon, and these are aligning rows, so we'll change this to column. Okay, now it's easy. Okay, and change background color to something cool. We can select anything. You can choose whatever you like. If you like, I'm selecting this azure. It is looking quite good here. Similarly, we'll giving box sizing as a border box so that it can work padding margin for a border properly. And for H1, which is coming soon, we'll change text transform as uppercase and give font size of 3.2 rem. You can customize it accordingly also. And we'll give font family. We need font family. To get font family, we'll go to Google Fonts. You can go to browser and search for Google Fonts. Here you can see a list of full fonts, and here I have already decided which two fonts will be used. And at first of all, we'll use Pixelify Sans. Sorry, what is mistake? Pixelify Sans. Yes, this. We can select 600 semi bold, which is semi bold. This is for the heading. Okay, here we have got link and std import one, and similarly we need another also. Okay, another which we will take is young serif. This one is for that text, and no, this one is for that number, date, hours, value, that number, and we will take this import one. Just copy paste. Just copy paste to the style.js just above the body tag. And you can copy this font family also. I'll make this side and just replace this. Okay, coming soon. This is actually working for young serif. No, yes, cursive. Okay, yes, it's looking something better than that last one. Okay, you can customize yourself also. Okay, now we'll take that container tag and we'll make that in a row. It is actually in a column tag. Before that, we'll take a width of 100% and display flex. And okay, yes, we are getting this in a row already. And we'll keep justify content in center and align column in center so that it can align horizontally and vertically as a center. Okay, now copy this days one and we'll style for an individual box days. Let's keep its height of 200 pixel and width of 150 pixel. You can do accordingly. Okay, I'm doing this as it is saying good in my UI. Okay, now we'll give padding of 10 pixel, 30 pixel. Nothing difference in sync, so let's give a background color for now, which is red. Okay, yes, it is good, looking good. We can change background color to something white. Justify content as a center and align items as a center and flex direction to be column. Okay, and we can see it is aligning properly. Now we'll give this font family is that young serif, which will look very attractive. You can see here 367 days. Okay, actually let's use this cursive one. Now it is making for one box only, so I'll edit and insert similar class name for every box so that I can edit only in one time box. Okay, now let's go back to style.css and change this days to time box. Okay, now it's looking good. Yes, but there is no margin. I think we need a margin of 1 rem and 2 rem. Okay, now it's looking better. Now we need some shadow. Okay, for that you can go to get CSS scan box shadow example. There you can see a list of so many shadow, okay, with design also, and just you can click there and you will get up in a clipboard already. Which I'll use is, I think I like this one. Okay, copy and just paste it down. Okay, now see, wow, oh my god, it's looking very attractive, yeah. Okay, slightly change to height 180 pixel, maybe it will be good. Yes, very good. Now we can see, now we can see inside there we have a s2. Okay, for time box, inside time box dot time box s2, and it will select s2 for every time box, and we'll give font size of 3.0 rem. It's looking good. And line height of 1.0 rem. It is also looking good. Font family we need to change, I think. Here we can change that young serif. If you want to change that font and color, you can do accordingly also. Okay, okay, now it is looking very good, and let's see if it is responsive or not. Up to here it is great. It is also great, and till here. From here we need to what? We are using flex, so we'll be using flex wrap, so that if it doesn't fit the width, it will go down. Okay, media screen max width of will give around 700 pixel, and dot container inside flex wrap equal to wrap. Okay, now let us see. Okay, yes, look, it is now so easy to make responsive in only one line. Flex wrap, and it is completely responsive. Okay, thank you everyone for watching till now. Don't forget to leave subscribe and comment in the comment box. Thank you.